Adding friends in Minecraft should be simple, but every platform has its own little trick. Let's break it down so you can connect with anyone in 2025, no matter what they're playing on. And stay to the end, because there's a hidden tip that saves a ton of frustration. On mobile and Windows through the Bedrock Edition. Open your game, hit play, then slide into the Friends tab. From there, just click Add Friend, type in their Microsoft gamertag, and boom, the invite's sent instantly. On Xbox and PS5, it's tied directly to your console's network. Go to your Friends or People tab on the home screen, add their gamertag or PSN ID, and once they accept, Minecraft automatically syncs them into your friends list. No extra steps. Here's the key move. Make sure both accounts have multiplayer and crossplay enabled. A lot of players think the invite system is broken when really it's just parental controls or privacy settings blocking it. If this fixed it for you, let me know in the comments, or if you're still stuck, drop your exact issue so others can help too. And here's a tip, hit that like and sub if this worked, because I'll be covering even more hidden Minecraft tricks this month.